had some episodes about this Cadillac where Angelier has taken all the chrome off, and then we've done a ton of body work on this car to try to get it ready for paint. And we've got some stuff ready, and so now we're into the paint. So I bet you probably never thought about how someone would go about figuring out what kind of paint you were going to use on a car. And the way we do it here is we make these little tabs up like this. We go select various colors of silver, like this one's going to be, and we give this to the customer, and then he comes out and takes a look and picks out the paint. Now the important part about this is you want to do this outside in the sun, because in here in this light it may look a little bit different than when it is outside. So if you happen to go someplace to have your car painted and you want to select a paint, after they do a spray out for you, take it outside and look it over thoroughly, and of course hold it up to your car. Now you can see right here that Angel is putting guide coat on, which ends up looking like this, and that will all be sanded off so that we're sure as we sand this off, all the guide coat comes off and it returns to this gray color. That way we know that it's perfectly straight in every area and ready to paint. Over here we've got a door that we've already finished up and guide coated. It's just absolutely smooth, and it just looks like it's already been painted, but it's just this gray primer coat and it's ready to go. So now we're working all over this car to try to get the rest of the car to look exactly like this door. Hey, Barry Wilson, Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website, wilsonauto.com, and look for more videos, and stay tuned on my YouTube site for more episodes about this Cadillac if you'd like to follow it all the way back to the point where we get it painted.